We did it.
Yeah, we did. Dorothy really flew.
It was a good idea.
Yeah. Well,
We got so much to do.
Yeah.
I gotta get grant approval for a new warning system. We need a bigger lab. You've got to start analysis of all that data.
I do.
Yeah, we gotta generate models out of all this data, and I need to run the lab.
No. You're doing the analysis. I'm running the lab.
You're running the
I'm
lab?
running the lab.
I don't think so.
Do you always have to do things the hard way?
We guys, the sets recorded, the computers went crazy. We got data coming out of our ears.
Hey, Joe and Bill, check out that sky.
You know what? I think we've seen enough.